Hi Triangle, it's Ashley here, owner of Wallaby Windows. And since it's spring and everybody's got cleaning on the mind, I thought I'd mention a couple of tips that we often encounter with cleaning of windows. So if you've got a double hung window, that's what my sample is of. If you've got a single hung window, I'll show you a little bit of a difference. And I wanted to show you how you can remove the sashes so that you can get them nice and clean for your family. So my first tip is unlock it. So if you have double hung windows, you want to open both the top and the bottom sash. If you've got a single hung window, obviously the top part's not operable, just leave that where it is and only open the bottom sash. Next, you're going to unlock the tilt locks. So those live at the top of the sash and they look different depending on which window you have, but in this case mine are here built into the top of the frame. You just squeeze those at the same time to release the locks. Now we're going to disengage the boot at the bottom, and you do so by lifting one side higher than the other. Typically takes a few inches difference. So that's the locking mechanism we just removed. So once you've got that free, go ahead, do your cleaning however it is you like to clean your windows. I like the Norwex wipes because they're chemical free. And then we also want to do the same steps with our top sash. We can leave it here and clean it as it is, or you can remove this as well with the same boot and locking mechanism. Once you're all done and you've got them all clean, the next step I recommend is vacuuming or wiping down with a wet rag, getting the frame clean. It's a great opportunity to make sure that everything's gliding on a smooth surface. Then you're going to go ahead and put the top sash back in, leave the gap because that's how the mechanism for locking these works best. And then you're going to go ahead and I'm going to zoom in one more time. This locking portion from the sash is going to go into the boot in the frame and it's going to seat nice and clean there. And we've got it locked in place. Then you go ahead and make sure you've got everything where it should be. And if everything went back in the way it should lock. And the locking mechanism for the sashes works perfect. Now you just clean up the other 20, 30, 40 windows, however many you got, and hopefully that doesn't take you too long. If you have any questions or if you have issues getting the sashes to lock at the end, I'm going to make another video about how to troubleshoot that. Let me know if you have any questions and happy cleaning.